This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, October 31st. Stock index futures are mixed to higher. We had the employment cost index for the third quarter increasing 1.1%, when up 1% was expected. Also, we had the October Chicago PMI at 44 when it was anticipated to be 45. But the big surprise was the Consumer Confidence Index coming in at 102.6. That compares to the estimate of 100. Still thinking, though, that gains overall in stock index futures, if we do see any near term, will probably be limited by the uncertainties of the situation in the Mideast. Also, we may see a lot of evening up today with the FOMC meeting today and tomorrow. In the currencies, the dollar index is higher, supported by the stronger than predicted Consumer Confidence Index. In recent weeks, though, however, I believe the dollar has underperformed the news. Virtually no flight to quality buying coming in to the traditional safe haven currency, the US dollar. So I think that's a sign of longer term weakness. We had German retail sales unexpectedly falling 0.8% when a 0.5% increase was expected. The Bank of Japan holding its policy meeting today, keeping their short-term interest rate unchanged at negative 10 basis points. And they did, however, adjust their yield curve control program. And in the interest rate futures markets, we are seeing futures just mixed right now. Some talk earlier this morning that the Treasury may announce smaller than anticipated refunding auctions, which I find hard to believe. I think there's a lot of debt that needs to be rolled over. But in any event, today should be an evening up trade with the Fed to release a statement tomorrow at 1 o'clock Central Time, followed by a Fed Chair Powell press conference at 1:30. And according to the work that I'm doing, the Fed most likely will keep rates unchanged. The Fed funds rate should remain at 5.25% to 5.5%. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.